Hi everyone, this is part 6 of the developer diary for Temple Jump Run X, and if anyone's just joining us now, this is how to build a Unity project, a Unity iPhone project into an Android project, and then deploy this online so that people can download it and play it. So one of the avenues for distribution is the Amazon App Store, which is this one that you can see here. This is strictly for Android applications. We already have a few uploaded here, and this is pretty simple. So we've already done the APK file, which is the Android file. We've tested that on a device. We've inserted all the links and also the ads through AdMob as well. So for anybody that's just tuned in right now, I say this pretty much all the time, but this isn't a tutorial as such. It's just basically a developer diary of showing how I do things as an independent developer and how I get games into the market and how I distribute them, and essentially make revenue on these games as well. So hopefully this helps a few people. It's not a tutorial, so it's not very specific, but it just kind of runs through how things can be done and how I work on sort of a day-to-day basis. So hopefully, if anybody has questions, please add comments down below or send an email, and then I can reply or give maybe a video with more detail on your questions as well. So that's sort of the whole goal of this channel: how to make mobile games. So what we'll do here is we'll get a new application uploaded. So we just click on Add New App. If you're coming into this for this video now, if you've just come into this one. Basically, this is developer.amazon.com, and you can sign up for a developer account. That's free. I think you might have to enter your credit card details, but I'm not 100% sure of that right now. So the title of this is game is Temple Jump Run X. I'm going to use the full title, which is basically contains like the kind of subheading or subtitle of it as well, which is Old Arcade Games X by Cobble Play Games. And the reason that we sort of make this title kind of long is because of search engine optimization, or basically if there's more keywords in the title, then people are more likely to find the game. And as a smaller developer, basically that's pretty important. The search engine, the ability for users to find your game or your application is pretty important. So always consider the title of a game, also consider the marketing as well. And also the keywords are pretty important when it comes to sort of iPhone and Android distribution. So the SKU here is optional, we don't need that. Supported language is English, that's the only one that's available. Default contact, so support email, games@cobbleplay.com, yeah, that's fine. So that's pretty much it for the first section, and then all the sections down below on this web page. You've just got to fill each of these in, containing screenshots, the category, the keywords, and so on. And that's pretty straightforward. It's kind of it's similar to just filling in an online sort of application form. So the category is games, and we're going to go under arcade. Okay. Now for this game, we actually have some keywords that have already been set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the description from another game that we have online. So I'm basically just going to put in one of the other games, if I can find this now. I'm thinking of the best place to locate this. Actually, that would be in our iPhone iTunes Connect account, which is basically the developer portal for iPhone. And this contains a description of the game already, as that's already been uploaded to the iPhone App Store, but it's not yet been approved. So that should be approved within the next, say, week. Usually takes 6 or 7 days to be approved. So I don't actually have a description here yet either. So what I am going to do is try to find one online, because I typed this in quite a while back. So let me just try this now. Okay, so Alpha Line Run Impossible Game X. That was the original title of the game. Sorry, Alpha Run Impossible Game X. So that was actually the original title of the game. So when it was originally uploaded with version 1.0, there was already a description in place. So, for the sake of speed, there's no problem in using that description again. And it's uploaded onto various websites. A lot of these websites, what they do is they sort of pull from the Google Play market or other Android markets, and then just display the links and the game icon and screenshots on their own site. And then that links back into the sort of the original market where it came from. So what we'll probably find is, as we go through here, we'll probably find the original description. Now this is Amex, so this is not the one I'm looking for. That's one of our other games. Alpha Quadrant, I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty cool. I really like this style here, that's nice. Nope. Oh, that's Temple Run Training. Nope. Alpha and Impossible Game X. So what we'll do is I'm just going through and trying to find the description for this game. I could type one out, that's no problem, but if there's one that's already the original one that I'd already typed, if I can find that, then that's a lot faster. Okay, I think this is it. So let me. Yeah, this looks like it. Okay. So I'll need to adjust this a little bit, just because the name is now different, and also it's not such an impossible game anymore. Okay, so let me just grab this text here. And we will go back to the Amazon developer portal. This is a products feature list. Sorry, I've got the wrong section here. Let me just take this out and paste it into here. So this is okay. So we can just get rid of this part here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to come back to this in a moment. I'm going to fill out some of these parts just off camera so that you don't have to see me sort of adjusting this text. It's pretty straightforward and anybody can do this. It's just the description for the game. And then what I'll do is I'll come back and show you the icons that have been uploaded and how this form works, and then submit this, and then go on to the next the next Android market. So tune in for the next part, everyone, and I'll be back soon.